Discover the magic of Astragalus, nature's immune booster. Hey guys, Dr. Mike here, and today we're diving deep into the world of natural remedies with an herb that's been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries. We're talking about Astragalus, a powerful adaptogen that can supercharge your immune system, help you combat stress, and even promote longevity. That's right, this single herb is packed with so many benefits that it's like having a secret weapon in your wellness arsenal. We're going to break down everything you need to know about Astragalus, from its history and how it works, to the amazing ways it can improve your health. So, if you're ready to unlock the power of nature to live your healthiest life, grab yourself a cup of herbal tea, settle in, and let's explore the magic of Astragalus together. Okay, so let's start with the basics. Astragalus, also known as Huangqi in traditional Chinese medicine, has been used for thousands of years. We're talking about a plant whose roots hold a treasure trove of health benefits. Now I know what you're thinking, another herb? But trust me on this one, Astragalus is in a league of its own. You see, Astragalus is what we call an adaptogen. Now adaptogens are pretty incredible because they help your body adapt to stress. Think of them as your stress-busting best friends, always there to bring your body back into balance. And we all know how important it is to manage stress, right? But Astragalus doesn't stop there. It also has these potent anti-inflammatory properties, so it's not just helping you deal with stress, it's also tackling inflammation at its source. And if that wasn't enough, Astragalus is here to give your immune system a boost like no other. It's like a shield, protecting you from those pesky colds and infections that try to bring you down. So, we're talking about a triple threat here. Stress management, inflammation reduction, and immune support, all in one incredible herb. Let's dive into the specifics of how Astragalus can benefit your health. First up, we have its immune-boosting power. Astragalus basically enhances your body's natural defenses, making it easier to fight off those common colds, the flu, and even infections. It's like giving your immune system an extra layer of armor. Next, we have heart health. Studies have shown that Astragalus can help regulate blood pressure and improve circulation. And we all know how important it is to keep that heart healthy and strong. But here's where it gets really exciting. Astragalus is packed with antioxidants, those amazing compounds that fight free radicals and protect your cells from damage. What does that mean for you? It means Astragalus can help slow down the aging process and promote longevity. Who wouldn't want that, right? And because Astragalus is such a powerful adaptogen, it can help you manage stress and fatigue. It does this by balancing cortisol levels, which is your body's main stress hormone. So you'll feel calmer, more focused, and better equipped to handle whatever life throws your way. And last but not least, Astragalus can even support your digestive health. It helps to promote a healthy gut microbiome, which is essential for overall well-being. Plus, it can reduce inflammation in the digestive system, easing digestive discomfort. Chapter 3. How to use Astragalus. Now that you know about all the amazing benefits, you're probably wondering how to incorporate Astragalus into your daily routine. Well, the good news is that there are several easy and enjoyable ways to do so. One of my favorite ways is to simply enjoy a warm cup of Astragalus tea. It's super easy to make. Just steep some dried Astragalus root in hot water for about 10 to 15 minutes, and you've got yourself a soothing and immune-boosting drink. If tea isn't your thing, you can also find Astragalus in powder form. This is a great option to add to your smoothies, soups, or even just a glass of water for a quick and easy health boost. And for those of you who prefer convenience, Astragalus supplements are widely available in capsule form. This is a great option if you want a standardized dose and don't want to worry about the preparation. No matter which method you choose, the key is consistency. Just like with any health regimen, incorporating Astragalus regularly will give you the best results over time. Chapter 4. Who should use Astragalus? Astragalus is generally safe for most adults. However, it's always a good idea to talk to your doctor before adding any new herbs or supplements to your routine, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. For example, if you have an autoimmune condition or are taking immunosuppressant drugs, it's important to consult with your doctor before using Astragalus. This is because Astragalus can stimulate the immune system, which might interfere with certain medications or conditions. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should also check with their healthcare providers before using Astragalus, as its effects during these times are not fully understood. And of course, if you experience any adverse reactions while taking Astragalus, stop using it immediately and contact your doctor. Remember, your health is your priority, and it's always best to err on the side of caution when it comes to your well-being. Chapter 5, Outro. So there you have it, the magic of Astragalus. We've explored its rich history, its incredible health benefits, and how you can easily incorporate it into your life. From boosting your immune system to combating stress and promoting longevity, Astragalus is truly a gift from nature. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried Astragalus before? What are your favorite ways to use it? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness tips. Remember, knowledge is power, and I'm here to empower you to live your healthiest life. Until next time, stay healthy and keep exploring the wonders of natural remedies.